In this quick WhatsApp tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can easily get your own WhatsApp link to share with friends, family, or clients. Whether you're a business owner, content creator, or just looking to connect more efficiently, having a direct WhatsApp link can streamline your communication like never before. It's pretty easy to get your link, and the process is the same for both iPhone and Android devices, as well as on your PC or Mac. All we have to do is to open the WhatsApp application, and then you can open any conversation in WhatsApp. But you can open the Notes app, an iMessage conversation, or any other thing. It really doesn't matter. We just need some place where we can write out our link manually. WhatsApp doesn't give us an option to automatically generate the link, so we will have to do this manually. But don't worry, it's pretty simple to do so. All we have to do is to write wa.me and then a slash. I'll put the text over the screen so you don't make a mistake while writing this. And when you do write this code, you then want to enter in your WhatsApp phone number with the country code. So you first want to add a plus, then add your country code, and then your phone number. My country code is +381, so I'll add that after the slash, and then I'll add my whole number. When you do write this code with your phone number, you can then copy it and send it to someone. When that person clicks on the link, it will automatically open a conversation with you for them in the WhatsApp application, and they can then start chatting with you. So just write this code, and then enter your whole phone number with the country code included, and the plus also before the country code. And that's how you can easily get your WhatsApp link, which you can share with everyone. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.